20 space-saving Amazon products for a tidy and stylish home. Declutter like a pro. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Chris Tech channel. Are you ready to transform your home into a clutter-free, stylish space? In today's video, I'm sharing 20 space-saving Amazon products that are perfect for keeping your home organized while looking amazing. Whether it's your kitchen, bedroom, or bathroom, these genius finds will help you declutter like a pro. So, hit that like button and let's jump right in. A clutter-free home doesn't just look better, it feels better, too. Whether you're living in a small apartment or just want to make the most of your space, finding the right storage and organization solutions can be a game changer. The good news: Amazon is a treasure trove of space-saving products that help you stay organized without sacrificing style. From sleek furniture to clever kitchen gadgets, this list of 20 must-have items will transform your home into a tidy, functional, and stylish sanctuary. Let's dive in. Here's a curated list of 20 space-saving products available on Amazon that combine functionality with style, helping you declutter and organize your home effectively. Kitchen and pantry. 1. Over-the-sink dish drying rack. A multi-tier rack that fits over your sink to dry dishes while saving counter space. 2. Collapsible food storage containers. Stackable, collapsible containers to save space in drawers and cabinets. 3. Spice rack organizer drawer insert. Converts drawer space into a neat spice storage solution. 4. Magnetic fridge organizer. Attaches to your fridge for holding spices, paper towels, or other small items. Living room. 5. Wall-mounted floating shelves. Perfect for displaying books, plants, or decor while keeping floors clear. 6. Storage ottoman with hidden compartment. Provides seating while offering concealed storage. 7. Cord management box. Keeps cables and power strips neatly tucked away. 8. Nestable side tables. Save space by stacking tables when not in use. Bedroom. 9. Under bed storage bags. Use the space under your bed to store seasonal clothing or linens. 10. Over-the-door shoe organizer. Holds shoes, scarves, or small accessories without taking up floor space. 11. Foldable laundry hamper. Collapses when not in use to save space. 12. Wall-mounted nightstand. Frees up floor space while offering bedside storage. Bathroom. 13. Over-the-toilet storage rack. Adds storage above the toilet for towels and toiletries. 14. Shower caddy tension pole. Adjustable storage for shower essentials, without needing drilling. 15. Slim rolling cart fits in tight spaces between cabinets for storing toiletries or cleaning supplies. Closet. 16. Space-saving hangers vertical cascading design to maximize closet space. 17. Vacuum storage bags compress bulky items like comforters and coats. Home office. 18. Wall-mounted foldable desk folds up when not in use, ideal for small workspaces. 19. Cable management sleeve. Organizes and hides messy cables for a clean desk setup. Miscellaneous. 20. Portable folding step stool. Compact and lightweight for occasional use, easily storable when folded. These items are practical for keeping your home tidy without compromising on aesthetics, and many have sleek, modern designs to fit various styles. Let me know if you'd like links or further details about any of these. Decluttering your home doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the right tools, it can even be enjoyable. These space-saving Amazon finds prove that organization can be both practical and stylish. Whether you're tackling the kitchen, bedroom, or office, these products are designed to make your life easier and your home more efficient. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey to a tidy, stress-free home today and see the difference these small changes can make. Happy organizing! That's it for today's video, folks. I hope you found some inspiration to tackle your home organization goals with these awesome Amazon finds. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Let me know in the comments which product you're excited to try or share your favorite space-saving hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy organizing.